Hello there and welcome to the Creativity Cabinet. In this video, I'm going to do another one of my series where I make a gift for a favorite YouTuber. This gift is going to go to Claire from Bon Apetit, who does those wonderful videos where she does gourmet versions of favorite junk foods. What I've decided to do is I got a bunch of these nice wooden decor items from Dollar Tree. I actually ordered a whole case of them from DollarTree.com and for several different DIYs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint over this, and then I've got several different funny sayings that Claire usually does, and that I'm going to hand letter them on to these, and I'm going to send them to her with the hope that maybe, fingers crossed, maybe she might actually put them up in the BA test kitchen. We'll see. So, let's get to making art. Well, I think these turned out pretty cool. Okay, this is the one that you saw me do. It says, "Don't try to make me have fun," which is a direct quote from Claire. And then I'll show you the other ones that I did. This one says, "I know what you're thinking. It's not a curse." That refers to the fact that some people think that there's a Gourmet Makes curse that makes it so that whatever she tries to do is a lot harder than she thinks it's going to be. And speaking of that, this one says, "I think I'll probably finish this today," which all of you Gourmet Makes fans know that's I put famous last words on here. This is the thing that invokes the curse, is when she says that. Every time she thinks that she's going to finish right then and there, it always turns out to be way harder than she thinks. Then I've got this one. This one says, "Send help if I'm gone for more than 30 minutes." She likes to say this when she goes into the big walk-in freezer. And finally, I made, this is my favorite, We don't temper chocolate here. She hates tempering chocolate. Though she's gotten a little bit more, I've noticed she's gotten a little bit more open to that just fairly recently. For the most part, she still really hates tempering chocolate. So these were really fun to make. I don't even know yet if I'm going to be able to find an address to send them to, but I hope to be able to send them to Claire. And we'll see if maybe they show up in the B.A. Test Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you would like. Subscribe for more great content. And as usual, go out and make art.